Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw one of my favorite characters from the Plants vs. Zombies game, and that is the Snow Pea. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy the video today. Now, to begin with our Snow Pea, we're going to start over here on our paper. I'm going to begin by making a line that curls up, and it's going to come down and back up like this. It's going to look like a little C shape. Now inside of here, I'm going to draw an oval shape. Then just really quickly go ahead and color that in. Starting over here, we're going to draw a line that curls around. It's going to go down and come right back up to here. Next, we want to make a nice big circle shape here for the head. Just start right here, draw a big circle shape that just comes right back up to here. Starting here, I'm going to make an oval shape like this, and a smaller one right over here. Add a small circle inside each one, then just color it in. Now underneath here, we're just going to draw a little line that curls down and then comes up. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to curl another little line that comes down. At the bottom here, we're going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to come down, and then it's going to curl around for a leaf. I'll do another one here. We're just going to curl it up and down, and then it's going to come right back to here. Starting here, we'll add another one. It goes up and then comes back to here. And one more. It goes out, and then it's just going to curl down. Now, starting here, we're going to add a little line that goes down. Another little curved line here. One here. And one right there. Now, to make this look more like the Snow Pea, we have to add the little ice crystals on the back. The first one is going to start right here. So all you have to do is draw a line that goes down, and then another one that goes down here. Next, we're going to make a line that goes up, and then it's going to come right to here. Now I'm going to leave some space, so I'm going to draw another one. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and another one right here. Then we're going to draw a line that goes down and then back up. And you can see Miami decide to join us for this drawing. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes down, out. It's going to go in like this. Next, I'm going to make a big tall line that goes up. It's going to come down and then in. Now starting here, we're going to make a small one. It's going to go up and then down like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Snow Pea. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.